Thank God it's Friday! Oh, TGIF na naman mga bratis ko. Wow, God, how time flies. It's already what? October 19? 18? Kita mo, hindi ko na alam ang date. Basta, I mean, and weekend na tomorrow. At what do we say when it's weekend? For those who are working Monday to Fridays, it's self-care time. And today I am gonna share with you one of the glimmer again that I learned as I go through the journey of self-love. This is our glimmer for the weekend. And I think this is timely kasi syempre madami tayo, lalo sa mga nag-work, di ba? Syempre madami tayong tasks for the past week, and I'm pretty sure once in a while, naiisip natin if we were able to do the task effectively. But you know what? This is just a reminder. In everything that you do, always think that, always believe actually that you're doing your best. In everything that you do, whether it's about work, personal, or whatever. So whatever it is that you're doing, always believe that you're doing your best. And your best doesn't have to be perfect. Kasi there's no such thing as being perfect, okay? So whatever you're doing, just believe that you're doing your best and it doesn't have to be perfect. Progress isn't about perfection. It's not about, trying to do everything in a perfect way. There's no such thing as being perfect. And we all know about that. Siguro naman, no? Alam naman natin na walang perfect na tao, walang perfect na bagay, walang perfect. Kasi if there's one thing that's permanent in this world, is change. So don't be too hard on yourself if you were not able to do something perfect, because there's no such thing as being perfect. But what is important is for you to believe that you've done your best. Okay? And it doesn't have to be perfect. It's a progress. It's about showing how you learn through the process, and you grow up every day. It's a learning process, and every day there's something new that you're learning. There's something new that's being fed in your mind. Diba? It's a journey of, learning new things. Putting something in your, in your intellectual mind. That can be very useful when the time comes. And, every day, just believe that everything that you learn day by day is making you grow to be a better person. Okay? So, yeah. Don't try to be perfect, because there's no such thing as being perfect. But always believe that in everything that you do, you're doing your best, and your best doesn't have to be perfect. Okay? You are enough. Everything that you do, the best of your ability, is worth it. Okay? So don't be too hard on yourself. Believe in yourself. Believe in your capabilities. It's a progress. And everything that you learn day by day, it's a learning process, and it's a treasure that you need to keep, because it's gonna make you a better person. Okay? So there. Okay? Believe that you're trying your best. Believe that you're doing your best every day, and your best doesn't have to be perfect. Okay? So that's our glimmer for today. For this weekend, this is our self-love solution takeout. And like I said, if you want to know more about self-love, you know where to message me. Okay? And if you want to get more exclusive takeouts about self-love solution, and if you want to see more videos or more glimmers, or, lessons, just subscribe. I'm gonna put the link there. And also, I'd like to take this opportunity to thank all my supporters who has supported and been supporting my showcases. But like I said before, um, I will use this account, this I am Brat 13, my dear Bratties, as solely for my self-love solution, glimmer, and about well-being, about personal development. And for my showcase and for my affiliate products, I will I have another account that will solely cater to affiliate products. So, if you don't see any products now na pinopromote ko dito, it's because it's in my other channel, or it's in my other profile, I'm sorry. And I'm gonna put also the link there. That's I am Munina 1313. It's my new affiliate account, and maayos na to. Kasi naumpisahan natin na maayos. So, all of my showcases are there. So, I will put the link down. And also the link for my subscription. Please do subscribe kasi ang dami-dami natin pwedeng i-take out about self-love. And actually, if you become my subscriber, one of the benefit is an exclusive uh, what you call this, videos, exclusive glimmers, and an exclusive deep dive session for self-love solution. Okay, so go ahead, click down, subscribe, and for my affiliate products, for promotional products, don't worry, because if you go to I am Monina 1313, you can see all my showcases there. Okay, so again, I'll see you tomorrow for more of self-love solution glimmers and all about self-love solution. And at the same time, like I said, if you want a session with me, or if you want to talk more and learn more about self-love solution, please do message me anytime. Okay? So, happy weekend! Ingat-ingat, my dear. Sa mga gigimik ngayon, take care of yourself. And don't forget to pray. And don't forget to be thankful for for the past week and weekend. So it's our self-care time. So yeah. So enjoy the weekend. Have a good sleep. Okay? Pag uwi nyo, galing sa trabaho, relax na kayo. Do something that makes you happy. And yeah, just smile, enjoy, and love your life. And be happy. Okay? So, sige na. I'll see you again tomorrow for more of our self-love solution takeouts. Okay? Bye!